In the previous videos, I showed you the capabilities of the drone and its accessories, but in this video, I'm going to show you all the nozzles that I use to spray the water. We are going to see all the nozzles and their spraying angles from the 0 degrees nozzle all the way to the 45 degrees nozzle. Let's go!
Okay. And go.
Each nozzle has a different spraying angle, so I use the most suitable nozzle based on factors such as the speed of wind and the texture of the surface to be cleaned.